Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Homenobilty. How many types of welding? The Welder Guide. Welding is a process of joining materials, usually metals or thermoplastics, by heating them to the point of melting, then use a filler material to make a joint. There are many different types of welding. Today we will discuss some of the most popular types of welding. Number 1. MIG Welding. Number 2. TIG Welding. Number 3. Stick Welding. Number 4. Plasma Arc Welding. Number 5. Electron Beam Welding. Number 6. Gas Welding. Number 7. Thermit Welding. Number 8. Forge Welding. Now you know the common types of welding with Homenobilty. Thanks for watching Homenobilty. Please subscribe my channel.